Swali and welcome back to Mugda Arts and Studio. So in this session I'm going to show you beautiful Kanchi Pattu soft silk sarees and daily. So with brighter shades on border and zari work kuda chaala baagundi exact ga Kanchi Pattu sarees tho unnattundi. So mundu memu Gadwal Pattu sarees chesinappudu many customers have requested for this kalamkari and floral print sarees with Gadwal Pattu. కానీ గద్వాల్ పట్టులో కాకుండా ఈసారి కంచి పట్టులోనే తెచ్చామండి. 2 డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ సారీస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇవి వచ్చి సాఫ్ట్ సిల్క్ సారీస్ అంటారు అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్ 2 ప్యాటర్న్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ సెషన్. సో ఫస్ట్ వచ్చి నేను వేసుకున్నది చూస్తున్నారు కదా, ఇట్ హాస్ గాట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలంకారీ ప్రింట్ ఓవరాల్ సారీ బాడీ విత్ అ వెరీ హై బార్డర్. సో బార్డర్ లెంత్ చాలా పెద్దగా ఇచ్చారు. ఇట్స్ మోర్ దాన్ 15-inch బార్డర్ ఆన్ రెడ్. సో ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన బార్డర్ మీద అంతా కూడా మనకి డిఫరెంట్లీ యానిమల్స్ ఉన్నాయండి విత్ జరీ. అండ్ ఇది వచ్చి ఓన్లీ 1 piece ఉంది విత్ కలంకారీ ప్రింట్ అండ్ రెస్ట్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్ ఫ్లోరల్ ప్రింట్ సారీస్ విత్ జరీ ఆన్ బార్డర్స్. సో ఇది వచ్చి మనకి పీచ్ విత్ రెడ్ ఆన్ బార్డర్స్లో ఇచ్చారు అండ్ బాడీ శారీ బాడీ మీద కూడా మనకి అలాంగ్ విత్ పీచ్ డార్క్ షేడ్ ఆఫ్ గ్రే తోటి కలంకారీ ప్రింట్ చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా అండ్ క్లియర్గా ఇచ్చారండి. జస్ట్ హ్యావ్ అ లుక్ ఎట్ ద ఎంటైర్ సారీ. సో వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్ రెడ్ కలర్డ్ బ్లౌజ్ ఫర్ దిస్ dark shade of chili red. So let's see the mannequin pieces. Here comes the first piece in mannequin. So ee saree vachi manaki parrot green and grey on borders. So throughout the saree we have got beautiful floral and birds print. Just have a look at the saree. Coming to borders, we have 2 different zari work on borders, silver and copper zari work. On overall saree body we have golden zari booties. So just have a look at these booties. We even have silver zari motifs here. So throughout the saree we have got 2 differently designed zari motifs with golden and silver. And in the background of the saree we have got floral and birds print. So here comes pure Kanchi Pattu saree in brighter and darker shades. Just have a look at this. So throughout the saree we have darker shade of navy blue on saree body. When it comes to border, we have pink with blue on borders. So here it's a differently designed border with 2 different lines. So in one line we have Rudraksh motifs, and when it comes to other line we have peacock zari motifs. So throughout the saree we have copper zari work on borders, and on saree body we have golden work, golden zari work. So it's a differently designed saree and we only have 1 single pieces. So our sarees anni kuda exclusive pieces andi, single pieces la unnai. Let's see the third piece in display, and it has got kalneta work, 2 different shades on this with yellow and pink. So on borders we have brighter shade of brinjal violet with circular motifs. So far I have shown you all bigger borders with length around 15-inch. So throughout the saree body we have beautiful zari motifs. Let's see the final piece on mannequin with brighter shade of grey and green on borders. So ee saree kochi manaki chinna zari motifs with flowers unnayi. So first 3 sarees we have with copper zari work, and when it comes to this saree we have golden zari work on saree body and borders. So we have a very big border of 14-inch on this saree. So saree anta kuda we have peacock motifs and border. Just look at the quality of the zari on borders. It's very richly designed zari work throughout the saree and border. Let's see our rest of the collection. Here comes the first saree. So we have the bottle green on this with hot pink on borders. So ikkada differently designed work undi with zari. Just have a look at the saree body. So we have floral design with zari, golden zari work all over the saree. And we have a border length of 10 inches with mango and floral motifs. This is the entire saree. Bottle green and hot pink. brighter shades with pallu. And here comes the blouse. So blouse is the plain lo unnandi, but when it comes to border, we have rich zari work on two sides of the border for sleeves. Price of the saree is very reasonable price lo undi. Usually darker shades manaki chala high priced vastayi kada with beautiful zari. Coming to this saree price, it costs around 9,899 rupees on. So another beautiful shade in pink with navy blue on borders. So let's see the zari work on these borders. We have smaller floral zari print. So sorry, that's not the print, this pure zari work on the saree. And on borders we have kadi zari work on one side. Let's see the other side of the border, which is designed inside the checks with flowers. So it's the overall look with pallu. And here comes the blouse. So we have got plain blouse for this saree, beautiful zari on the sleeves. Coming to the price, it costs 11,699 rupees on it. So these sarees and these soft silk kanchi pattu sarees. As I have said in the very beginning of the video, we are going to show you two different patterns. One is the kanchi pattu saree with golden booties, and the other one is with print. So we have got parrot green and mango yellow on this saree. So we have got butterfly print. Just have a look at the saree, it's beautiful in life. Background low we have mustard color butterflies, mustard and brown. And on top of that we have golden zari booties in smaller size. When it's come to border, we have plain border on with zari lines. So this is the entire look of the saree. Contrast yellow color on pallu. Let's see the price of the saree. It costs around 19,500 rupees on. So far we have shown all darker shades. Here comes the brighter shade of cream with parrot green on borders. Such a lovely color. Just have a look at the saree with beautifully designed motifs in smaller size. So usually with cream we'll get darker shades on border, but for this saree we have a beautiful color border in green. So you can call it neon green instead of parrot. It gives you a brighter shade with beautiful floral zari work. So ikkada okati observe cheste manaki two different patterns of floral design undi throughout the border. Other side we have a little bigger border of 11 inches. Here comes the pallu in contrast green. With neon green on blouse. So contrast colors lo unnai saree and blouse at a very reasonable price of 11,000 rupees on it. So here are the helpline numbers. So far I have shown you many darker shades and lighter shades, and even we have got very big borders on this saree with two different patterns. So guys, if you have liked any saree, please take a screenshot of it and share on this WhatsApp number. And regarding any queries of product, regarding the color or material, please do reach out this number on WhatsApp. Our team will guide you in helping in placing orders. And for online payment, we have Google Pay contacts available here. Take a screenshot of this and keep it handy. Let's see our rest of the collection. Here comes another beautiful color in blue. So we have got Kallita mixed, two different colored sarees on this. Copper sulphate blue and parrot green. Just have a look at the booties placed here. We have pineapple shaped booties. So ఈ motifs లో మనకి రెడ్ కలర్ థ్రెడ్ ఉందండి. And coming to borders, we have slider shaped border with golden and copper zari work. Here comes the entire saree. green on borders. So we have got parrot green on borders, pallu and blouse. Let's see the price of the saree. It costs 14,999 rupees only. Here comes another brighter shade in navy blue. So throughout the saree we have got a single color, but when it comes to borderline, we have magenta pink on two sides of the borderline with copper and silver zari mixed on borders. Chala bright ga kanipistundi saree live lo with pallu and darker shade of wine on blouse. Let's see the price of this. So it's in very reasonable price of 9,999. So another traditional color combination here with parrot green and tomato red on borders. So throughout the saree we have got beautiful floral zari work with gold. It's a mixture of gold and red color thread. So inside the floral design we have red color thread work. Just have a look at the entire saree. With pallu. Coming to the price, it costs 13,099 rupees only. Here comes another beautiful shade in orange. So orange color chala baaguntundi, especially for festivals or if you are having any pujas at your house. So we have orange with the brinjal violet on borders. So throughout the saree we have circular motifs with floral design filling. Other side we have a little big border of 11 inches with kadi zari work and continued with floral print. Here comes the pallu with blouse. Price of the saree is 9,999 rupees only. So we have lux green here, which is another pretty color, and on borders we have kalnita mixed with pink. So green and pink mixed borderline in the saree mida. And saree body mida vachi we have drop shaped motifs in golden. Pallu and darker shade of hot pink on blouse. Coming to the price of the saree, it costs 15,599 rupees only. So we have brinjal violet here with pink. So brinjal and pink mixed color lo undi saree, kalnita mix ichcharandi. Just have a look at the shine here. So chala baga shine avutundi saree live lo with mango motifs all over the saree. Borders lo vachi manaki golden zari work undandi. So usually kanchi pattu sarees chala heavy weight lo untayi, but same pattu saree adi material toti memo soft silk sarees toti vachamo ee session lo. Just have a look at the entire saree. It's really pretty in light with pallu, and here comes the blouse. Coming to the price of the saree, it costs 14,999 only. So far I've shown you very reasonable and budget friendly prices lo చూపించానండి sarees అన్నీ కూడా. So ఒక్కటి కూడా above 15K లేదు. All are very reasonable and very lightweight, also easy to handle. So another beautiful shade in peach with pastel grey on borders. So we have got two different zari work on overall sari. So just have a look at the motifs designed on this sari. So we have got beautiful zari work with peacock filling inside. So on borders we have peacocks. So it's the entire sari. Pallu. And this is the blouse. Let's see the price of the sari. It costs around 11,500 rupees only. So here comes another beautiful shade in pastel grey. So usually when it's grey, it's always team up with red color, but here we have darker shade of wine on borders, darker shade of pastel grey and darker shade of wine with mango motifs in pink all over the sari. And on other side we have Kadi zari work with lotus floral motifs on border. Here comes the pallu in contrast wine color, and this is the blouse with wine. Let's see the price of the sari. It costs 11,200 rupees only. So guys, here are the helpline numbers. So this sari material is Kanchi Pattu sarees in soft silk material. So for orders you can reach out this number on WhatsApp. If you want to చూపించిన collection లో ఏ saree నచ్చినా just take a screenshot of it and share on this WhatsApp number. And for online payment we have Google Pay numbers available here. Take a screenshot of this and keep it handy. We do have international shipping throughout the globe, so guys hurry up and place your orders. Hello everyone. So hi andarki. Hi Divya Reddy garu. Padmalata Reddy ma'am, hi. So what's the price of the sari that you are draped in? So the price of the sari, give me some time, I'll just tell you guys the price of this. So okay, I'm getting so many requests regarding the price of the sari I'm wearing today. Hi Prasanna garu. So the price of the sari I'm wearing today is 28,500. So it's the only single piece sari with the kalamkari work and on Kanchi Pattu board with Kanchi Pattu borders. Hi Aparna ma'am, your sari is beautiful. Thank you so much. So let me show you once again. So this is the sari I'm wearing today, which is beautifully worked with kalamkari print on entire sari body, and on borders this is brighter shade of chili red. When it comes to video it is seen as tomato red, but in live this is in chili red. Okay. Hi Saujanya garu. Hello Andy. So when we have done a Gadwal floral print session, so many of our customers are requested to do this session again. But this time Kanchi Pattu sarees tho vachamandi, but two different patterns. So one is traditional Kanchi Pattu where we see a lot of zari booties and all, and the second one is a mixture of both print and motifs. So guys, hurry up because it's totally based, this session is totally based on customer requests. So for orders, here are the helpline numbers. Yeah. So if you have any requests, please do ping here, or if at all you want to have a talk or some interaction session, just ping your comments here. If you have nothing to see, then have something to open up. I'll see you soon. Just give me some time. So I have something for you guys, kind of surprise. So guys, most of them might be knowing this because we have already posted on our page in stories or on our Insta feed. So it's regarding the sale for Bangalore people. Yeah. So we guys are back to Bangalore again with sale on 3 days. So let me give you the details of those. So we have already done our sale in Bangalore once. So based on customer request, we are doing it again on 3 dates this month. So we'll announce the dates now. Okay. So before that, if you have any requests, please do comment here. Okay. The Bangalore sale is on 3 days in this month of August. That's on 6th, 7th and 8th. So the sale starts from tomorrow. Today it's already 5th of August, right? So it lasts for 3 longer days, 6th, 7th and 8th of August. Coming to venue details, it's in HSR Club. Yeah. So again, we are coming up with a beautiful collection of Kanchi Pattu sarees, Kalamkari, lehengas. So this time we have even added lehengas. So hurry up guys. Fine, if you have nothing to talk to, then let me show you the collection. Okay. Here comes the next saree with another beautiful color in pink. So we have got magenta pink here with green on borders. So magenta pink with bottle green, two manchi darker shades lo unnai. So overall saree we have floral zari motifs in lines. Just have a look at this. So saree background lo kuda chala manchi shine undandi. We have a great quality of shine in the background of the saree, and on top of that it's embossed with floral zari work in gold. Coming to borders, one side we have a beautiful border with peacocks. So throughout the border we have peacocks placed, and on other side we have a really big border of 17 inches. So it's a really very big border with Kadi zari work and peacock motifs placed alternately. Here comes the pallu with a beautiful contrast color on blouse. So just look at the length of the border on blouse. So chala baagundandi, inta long sleeves toti stitch cheyinchukunte it will be really good. Coming to the price of the saree, it costs 15,600 rupees only. So we have got a huge response for this print. So we have got kalamkari print and floral design on this saree. So we have lotus flowers. So let me explain the color combination of this. So it is with parrot green and copper sulphate blue on borders, and on border we have beautiful zari work with gold. It's mix of kalneta on borders, green and blue, and on other side we have a big border of 14 inches with peacock zari motifs alternately placed. So this is the entire saree. Just have a look at it. It's very pretty color combination with pallu. And here comes the blouse in two different shades of green and blue. Coming to the price of the saree, it costs 23,999 rupees only. So this is another differently designed saree. So it's mixture of both print and zari work on the outline of the saree. So we have brighter shade of mango yellow with leaf green on borders on the saree. So saree anta kuda manaki floral print to we have got two different colors for the flower petals. One is orange and other one is chili red. And on leaves we have leaf green color. Let's see the other side of the border. So we have 15-inch border here, which is purely designed with copper and golden zari mixed work. So this is the entire saree. With two different zari shine on pallu. And on blouse we have parrot green and yellow. Let's see the price of the saree. It costs 23,999. So far we have seen many sarees with beautifully designed kanchi pattu borders. For this saree we don't have border. It's a borderless saree. Though it's a borderless, we have a beautiful design on this. So let me tell you the colors on this saree. So here we have brighter shade of mango yellow. And on border line we have leaf green. So throughout the saree it's fully designed with print with a bunch of flowers, also birds in between. So on top of that we have silver zari lines. This is the entire saree with pallu. Let's see the blouse of this. So we have contrast leaf green blouse for this saree. And we have got a design for sleeves. So this is the design. Coming to the price, it costs around 19,800 rupees only. 19,800. So another different shade of grey with cherry red on borders. So throughout the saree we have golden and copper zari mixed work with floral design and flowers on border. With pallu. And this is the blouse in contrast cherry red color. Price of the saree is 13,099 rupees only. So here are the helpline numbers. So guys, if you were చూపించిన collection lo, if at all you have liked any saree, just take a screenshot of it immediately and share on this WhatsApp number. For online payment, we have Google Pay contacts available here. Take a screenshot of this and keep it handy. And we do have shipping throughout the globe. So guys, hurry up. The sale starts, but before that, we have this beautiful collection here. So chala fast selling sarees ivanni kuda hot cakes laga sell ayipotayi in the market. Hurry up and place your orders. So this is the reordered saree. We have shown this in our previous sessions, but based on customer requests. So for this single saree 3-4 customers adigarandi. So purely based on customer requests, we have designed a similar model. So here it comes with brighter shade of magenta pink and two different zari shades on border. We have copper and silver zari work all over the border with peacock motifs. Here comes the pallu. So with a beautiful shade of pink on blouse. Price of the saree is 17,800 rupees only. Here comes copper sulphate blue with parrot green. So saree anta kuda we have got dual zari shine with blue and green. So kalnita mix undi throughout the saree. Coming to booties, we have floral silver zari booties on entire saree. in this session, we only have kalamkari printed saris. So we'll definitely make another session for kalamkari lehengas. So here's the blouse for this saree. Price of the saree is 15,599 rupees only. So here comes another beautiful color with chili red and lemon green on borders. So this saree midanta we have copper zari work designed in the shape of a diamond. So we have plain border for this with zari lines on two sides of the border. This is how the saree looks like. Pallu. And blouse. So you can call it lime green on borders, blouse and pallu. Let's see the price of the saree. So it costs around 15,999 only. Very reasonable sarees. Here comes my favorite color combination with bottle green and magenta pink on borders. So we have two different colors on the saree body with bottle green and pink. So we have kalneta work here with mango zari booties. So on two sides of the border we have beautifully designed floral zari work with copper. So when it comes to booties on saree body, we have golden color booties on saree body and copper zari work on borders. So just have a look clearly with pallu. So this is the blouse in magenta pink. Let's see the price of this. It costs 14,999 only. Here we have another lighter shade with half white and brick red on borders. So such a lovely color. Night parties ki chala baaguntundandi. So we are near to wedding season. So saree anta kuda manaki floral booties unnayi. So we have got two different sized motifs. So one line anta vachi we have bigger motifs and second line alternately we have smaller booties placed very nearer. On borders we have floral zari work on red. Pallu. And here we have the blouse. So we can see two different shades on this blouse, pink and red, kalnita mixed. Price is very reasonable, 9,899 rupees only. So here comes a darker shade of violet with two different colors on border. So borders lo pink and red, two different shades vastundandi, hot pink and chili red on borders. So saree anta chala baga shine avutundi with violet. And on top of that we have golden zari peacock booties throughout the saree. So this is the entire saree. Just have a look at this. Coming to other side of the border, we have a big border of 12 inches. So with checks in between and peacocks on two sides. Here comes the pallu. We have temple design on pallu. Temple pillars మీద ఉండే work ఉందండి throughout the pallu. With kalnita mixed colors on blouse. Price of the saree is 14,999. So here comes peacock blue with navy blue on borders. So two different shades. So usually peacock blue, kani, rama green, chala ఫాస్ట్ సేలింగ్ కలర్స్ అండి ఇవి రెండు కూడా. Coming to borders, we have Kadi Zari work with floral design on edges. This is how the sari looks like. With pallu and contrast navy blue color on blouse. Let's see the price of this. So it costs 11,699 only. Very reasonable price. Low. We have got peacock blue sari. Here comes a darker color with brinjal violet on body and magenta pink on borders. So throughout the sari body we have polka dots designed in the shape of line, and borders we have a differently designed work on these borders. So it is patches laga undi, but this is not a patch. So one line is with pink and other line is with zari mixed with violet thread. So alternately we have pink and violet thread lines on border. So two sides manaki same length undandi borders lo, with pallu in copper zari work. So sari anta manaki golden zari toti icharu, but when it comes to pallu we have copper zari work. Let's see the price of the sari. It costs 17,800 rupees on. Such a lovely color it is. We have chocolate brown with pastel grey on borders. So throughout the sari we have beautifully designed booties. And on borders we have peacock zari motifs. Other side we have a 15-inch border with peacocks. With pallu. And here comes the blouse in pastel grey. Let's see the price of the sari. It costs 25,500 rupees on. So here comes parrot green with copper sulphate blue on borders. So when it comes to borders, we have Kallita, two colors mixed on border, blue and green. So this is the first sari with elephant design. So far we have seen peacock motifs. So on this border we have elephants with mangoes. So on sari body we have floral zari motifs. And on other side we have a big border of 13-inch with Kadi zari work in between and elephant design on two sides. So this is the pallu. And here goes the blouse with blue and green on blouse. Price of the saree is 13,600, 13,600. So here comes darker shade of ink blue. This is, so you can call it as ink blue with magenta pink on borders. So such a pretty color. Just have a look at this. Two darker shades. A perfect wedding wear ani chala baagundi saree light lo. And on other side of the border we have peacock booties with silver zari work. So saree anta manaki golden and silver two differently designed booties unnai all over the saree body and border with pallu. And here comes the contrast pink blouse. Price of this is very reasonable. It costs 11,000 rupees only. So we have got many greens and red color combos in this session. So guys, just look it up. So here comes leaf green with chili red on borders. So ikkada ichina motifs kuda anni diamond shaped booties unnai with copper zari. When it comes to border, one side we have simple zari with copper. Other side we have peacocks and checks placed alternatively. With pallu. And this is the blouse. Price of the saree is 14,999 only. Beautiful shade in yellow with pink on borders. So when it comes to border, we have rose floral design, and on other side of the border we have a very big border with zari checks and flowers with mango motifs placed alternatively. So saree anతా కూడా మనకి 2 different zari motifs ఉన్నాయి with pallu, and here is the blouse in pink, so you can call it hot pink on blouse. Let's see the price of this one. It costs around 11,000 rupees only. So we have one last saree remaining in this session. Let's see that. Here comes navy blue again. So navy blue toti too many darker shades unnayandi. So this is the last saree with single color navy blue on this. So throughout the saree we have dual zari motifs work. So just see the work on this saree, which is uniquely designed. And on borders, one side vachi manaki peacock motifs unnayi, 2 peacocks placed together. And on other side we have a differently designed zari work with gold and silver. So the border length is around 13 inches. Here comes the pallu. With contrast yellow and pink on blouse. So we have Kalita work on this blouse with 2 different colors on this. Let's see the price of it. It costs 19,599 rupees only. So guys, we have shown 2 different patterns in this session. One with kalamkari floral print sarees and other is with golden booties on Kanchi Pattu soft silk sarees. So here are the helpline numbers. If you have liked any saree, guys, hurry up, take a screenshot and share on this WhatsApp number. For online payment, we have Google Pay contacts available here. Take a screenshot of this and keep it handy. We do have international shipping throughout the globe. So hurry up and place your orders. Deliveries will get soon. So lastly, final note Andy, one last note. So we are coming into Bangalore again with a beautiful sale for 3 long days. So regarding the venue details, we'll post you shortly. So this is Vali signing off for today. See you all in our tomorrow's live. Stay tuned to Mugdal's Institute. Bye bye.